Two auto stocks stand out as stellar investment opportunities for 2024. I'm Joel Lin from Trading.Biz, and today I'll be sharing why General Motors and Toyota Motors are your advisable portfolio additions. Let's kick things off with General Motors. This American multinational giant owns four of the world's most popular brands: Chevrolet, Cadillac, Buick, and GMC. In recent times, General Motors has been shifting its focus towards electric vehicles. Their last earnings reports show a net profit of a staggering $43 billion, surpassing expectations by a margin of $3 billion. Their sales of electric vehicles reached over 75,000 units last year, a 93% increase from 2022. Looking forward, General Motors' growth in the EV segment appears promising. Thanks to the strategic collaboration with Tesla, they're set up to tap into a $13 billion capital spending plan, which holds significant promise for patient investors. Moving on to Toyota Motors, the world's largest producer of automobiles, the qualities that define Toyota, its unmatched durability, its continuous design improvements, and overall customer satisfaction, have seen its stock surge 80% year on year, making it a must-have choice for auto stock investors. On the financial front, though it is outperforming expectations, their last revenue report showed a profit of $9 billion, almost doubling their previous earnings. This pattern of financial success makes Toyota an undeniable contender in the world of auto stocks. Both General Motors and Toyota Motors present tremendous opportunities for investment this year. Shifting consumer preferences toward electric vehicles and these companies' strategic movements to cater to this demand make them interesting prospects for 2024. It's a rapidly evolving automobile industry out there, and these two are set to lead the charge.